Sharpening a Esee Azula 2. That's pretty dull, and hopefully this will give you a good camera view of the Tormek. It's a Tormek T8 with the standard water wheel. Right now you can do either 220 or 1000 grit depending on how you dress it. Right now it's on 220. See if you can see this or not. And I'm by no means a professional at this yet, trying to still learn it, but the results I've been getting so far are pretty good, so hopefully you'll see that. Not sure if you can actually see this or not yet, but still using, just black marker to obviously see if I'm getting the right angle or not. And before the video, the water wheel was off, and you can just fixture it and then move the water wheel with your hand to see where it scrapes. It actually works really well. So now I'm going to go to the other side. I've drawn a burr. I'm going to go to the other side, and you'll kind of be able to see what even the 220 grit, the kind of finish it leaves on there. Definitely a really good working edge. What I understand is the key is never stopping. You always want to keep moving. Let's kind of edge that left. Looks pretty good. I'm going to do a little more work on this side. So far looks pretty good. Coming from a TS Pro to a Wicked Edge, Mad Edge, Hapstone R1, say there is more of a learning curve with this, but once you get the hang of it, it's really satisfying to use. So it's really fun, and obviously you're moving steel faster. So you can kind of take on bigger jobs at least faster. And obviously, if you don't know, Tormek has a ton of different fixtures for everything you could think of. A little pricey. They're definitely proud of their product, but quality has been great. Customer service has been amazing. So I'm not complaining. Definitely liking how it's looking so far. I'll do a little more work at the heel. Good, good. Haven't rounded the tip or anything, so that's awesome. A little more work here. Looking really, really good. Not sure if you can really see that well. Yeah, it's looking really good so far. Alright. Do one more pass. Good. Looking really good so far. Really good burr on the other side, so do one more light pass. Good. One more quick pass on the side. All right, now I'm going to dress it to a 1,000 grit with the stones they provide. So 1,000 grit. Yeah, in this kit it comes with like some really good accessories right from the get-go, but you're paying for it. But it comes with a diamond tipped calibration stone truer, so you can get this nice and parallel with your guide rods. All right, now we're at 1,000, and we'll see what it can change this currently at. See how that looks with 1,000. I also have a 4,000 grit diamond wheel, or not diamond wheel, Japanese waterstone wheel. It's like $400 by itself. Haven't even used it yet, but going to soon. Just wanted to get used to this stone first before I even try that one. Not sure if you can tell, but you can definitely hear the difference. Pretty good. I'm sure you probably can't even see that, but it's got a really good finish on it so far. Tip is nice and sharp. So rounding the tip isn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. Actually, it's not too bad. Try one more pass. Alright, looking really good so far. Looking really, really good. Alright, try the other side. Looking really good so far. So yeah, that's just a quick demo of knife sharpening with a Tormek T8 basic knife clamp. All right, thank you.